In today's video, we are going to show you how to check and redeem Pocket FM promo codes, how to tell whether a code is still valid, and what to do if a code doesn't work. But here's the thing. Before we begin, Pocket FM promo codes can expire, change by region, or be limited to certain accounts. So do not assume that a code found online will automatically work for everyone. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open the Pocket FM app on your mobile device and log into your account. On the main home screen, I want you to tap in My Store. This will forward you to a new page. Pocket FM offers non-free episodes can be unlocked either with purchase coins or with coins earned by performing tasks and watching videos. You will notice that you have multiple options here. As you can see, you can earn up to 1,000 coins via the puzzles, games, and more. If you click on it, you'll be forwarded to a new page. You can simply take a survey and earn rewards, which will give you 247 coins. Click on it, what will happen is take the surveys and earn rewards, okay? Another option that you can do is go to the section that says play. All I have to do is play a specific advertised game or app. Let's say you wanted to try the Pizza Perfect, which will give you 1,000 free coins. If you click on it, you just have to play the game and earn all those free coins for you. Now, the available tasks differ from country, device, and account and time. If you do not see an earning option, update Pocket FM, check My Store section again, and avoid using VPN or proxy because offers can be region dependent, all right? So now, the question is, where to find those promo codes? And one of the easiest ways is to visit the official Pocket FM website and check the current store offers. You see that right now it offers 5% extra coins on purchases made through the PocketFM.com. Although, please keep in mind, offers can change over time. So if you're planning to purchase coins, it's worth comparing the offers available on the website with what you are seeing inside the mobile app. You can also find promo codes through special events and promotions, so be sure to follow Pocket FM social media channels like Facebook. They always announce news and updates, and of course Instagram, where they may have limited time offers and new codes. You can also join their Discord community to stay updated on announcements, events, and exclusive promotions. Now, let me tell you this. You can also find Pocket FM promo codes on third-party websites that share free or promotional codes. However, keep in mind that these codes may have an expiration date, a limited usage period, or may only work for certain users or regions. So before trying a code, always check when it was last updated and whether there are any terms or restrictions. Also, be careful when visiting unfamiliar websites. Avoid sites that ask for Pocket FM login details, payment information, or may require you to download suspicious files just to access a code. If a website looks questionable, it's better to skip it and look for another source. But once you've found a promo code that you want to try, open the Pocket FM app and go to My Store. Look for the option to enter or redeem a promo code, then carefully type it in, submit it, and if that code is still active and eligible for your account, the associated offer or reward should be applied. If it doesn't work, the code may have expired, reached its usage limit, or simply may not be valid for your account. And that's how you can check and redeem Pocket FM promo codes. Keep in mind that not every code posted online is guaranteed to work for every Pocket FM account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.